Oh.
See less so that there is ade 6 foot something.
Oh shit.
Kaya yung auto dito. Kaya nung binakal ko nakaset dito para sa kanya. Sa pigaputang pariksan, pag baba ko, babalik dito sa seat niya.
Naka-memory.
Naka-memory siya.
Oo.
Kaya ko yan
Dapat i-adjust mo. So yan nga na, naka-memory yan.
I'm not sure. Naibalik ko.
Taba-tala ba ang tail mo?
Kasi, hindi ko yan sa gusto ko dito sa...
Yeah.
Dito sa... Wala ko.
Ay,
Bintang ko yan. Gusto ko. Right.
yeah. So, take care my. Here we go. Grabe pala ng klase din. Kidit.
You can adjust it if you want.
Nag-adjust na ako ng sana. Nag-adjust ko na tanganing. To say well, okay. Okay, reverse. Step on the brake. Wow. Maray pa man ng dexterity kong ika.
Makadrive ka nga yan. Mitsubishi ninyo. Diesel.
Nung panahon.
Supposed to know how to.
Yeah. Palibot yan si Maubagan. Hindi naman sa
Just to feel it.
Yeah.
Go out there later on.
Yeah.
The highway. Go to the back road.
Paman.
Clutch and gas.
Instinct ta talaga. Memory ta talaga. No? Nag-work.
And don't feel bad if you are in the second gear for
Yeah.
X amount of time
Ah.
because this car will take that. You are not, because nila is the high rev.
Aha. Kaya kabalang filming naka 2,000 up.
Kasi kaya ako naka second gear,
Ah.
third gear.
Yeah.
It's like, gusto nila
This one is the 10, right? 175. San Makino, no?
50.
Bring down to 50. Kad mapituan kita na yung wangwang.
That's good. What did it go? It's a full stop.
Full stop and then
It goes straight.
go straight. Then third gear pa sana, nasa 50 na lapit. Have to bring it down.
So, get na yun. Sisena mo na dyan naman na yun.
Mhm.
Right into that right lane. Stop. Full stop.
Yeah.
Around. Bali go.
So unrolling, mas kayo na nagmuna si imo, you have to stop pa din.
You just have to because sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
They go 80.
Go slow, 80 lang. Malnaso.
You can even stay at 80 at third gear.
Yeah. And gosh, ang fourth gear mo pa lang sa isang gatos na. Grabe. Pero ang horsepower rate, 300?
3.6 liter. Or I don't know how it converts. I forgot what it was.
Wow. Gosh. Parang comfort gear na easy sa gas. But pagkarod sa the engine might heat up, right?
Yeah, that's why they wanted at third gear.
Wow.
Kaya pag 80 ka na sa lake driven, you can then pag sa pinaga
Yeah.
but you can go 80 and stay at third gear.
So, pinaka-default niya din sa road condition ta third gear mo, no? Wow.
So, considering mo, keep it near the white lane.
Yeah.
Kung may gusto pang feel mo so F1
Right.
and go at 70.
Yeah, 70. Wow.
See, they give you that speed for that curve.
Yeah.
Well, kusina sa yaman. Consuelo.
Very European. Naginging sana.
Yeah.
Marayan, the polite. Somebody's behind us.
Gusto ko siya po 70.
Ba't mauyat sa akin? Bahay. Ba't mauyat sa akin? Sa bahay ka ngayon nakakuang ka? Sisinta ka sana.
You're driving the speed limit. That's fine.
Ayan.
They won't say anything. They're telling you that it's going to be 60 kasi there's a stop there.
Nice, you can make a pass. Di man yan magagiri po sa stoplight na sunod.
If you want to go right turn, but you're going to full stop there again.
Yeah.
That's enough. right.
Wow. Nice car. Mas kayo ka na EV, don't let go of this.
No?
Mas kay just in case bumahal kang ibang auto.
As long as you drive 70 kasi 70 yan.
Yeah, 68 naman ako. I don't go above the Masil Bato ang kita.
You can go 75.
Okay.
You're okay. As long as I don't really but 75.
Masapag sa 6-cylinder dyan sa likod ba? Yeah. Very nice. Salamat. Katana panggilan kita Porsche. My gosh. Thank you. Kompleto masuk. Ay, yung ebidensya. Yep. Alright. Maray ba dyan nagkamang ako? Bay nang yan sa nauto na yan, kamang. Yeah. Pag hindi, yeah, you can just imagine sa mga 6-footer na nag-koran sa di. Ta magreklamo ako hindi ko napatras. Ayos ka.
60 yan.
Aha.
65.
That's nice. Masuk ke mobil. Lalu masuk clutch. Seat belt. Neutral.
Just grab it that way, all the way to your leg.
Oh, ayun pa lang siya pangke. There you go.
You can drive it 65. The police can drive it more than 65.
Eh, tama na yun yung mini na pulis. Charot sa ano eh, nag-flash yun.
stop, let it release the gas.
Early pa so release na. Wow. Kaya mo pala ako dinara din eh. May pick up sa likod. Hidden driveway.
Then you put the signal
Left,
right, left. Then the first road there, you get left. Here. There you go. There you
Hindi ko pa malipnan so watayo auto sa likod.
go. Aram ko yan dyan. Kasi ko, that's that lane. Bitay mo nagsignal at ang mga dyan sa likod, they don't stop.
Yeah.
Alam ko na yung mga tao yan.
Kaya nakabuntot na pick up eh.
They always like to go fast. Kaya pag ibintahan dito na so ilaw.
Yeah.
Kaya sabihin ka, overspeed ka.
Yeah. Diretso?
Yeah, just all the way. Full stop. Make sure nobody's there.
Kaibigan tanggo ma. Na. Dito na siyang walang takot.
I think naka-on man siya. Full stop.
Balay. What's that? Ay, construction.
Shit, tignan ng deliver so
Si Rene? Ay, si ano?
shotgun. Yeah, 22 shotgun. Hindi pwede, didikap kayo.
Ano i-deliver?
Sa mga refrigerator.
Oh.
Pinadeliver ka to 22.
Ay, paman. Mga mattresses pagadi. May tas wangod. Telepati rin.
Okay?
Yup.
Red light.
Yeah. Tabakan lumampaw.
Red light. That's it.
That's it. Okay. So you always stop it at 10 Park. Yeah.
There you go. You made it.
Salamat.
Nakapark ka pa.
Nakapatras pa. Kumpleto sa cycle. My God. Thank you. Yeah, magadun mananggayad. Arayo pala na ko sa kahoy. What I mean is nakapabor ako didi. So kauyo uni pa sa kuno uni pan kauyo. Pero lalagpas nga niya ako tan naka pa rin dapat uni so kauyo nakaluan na. Okay. Tatibado magkatso gate.
Kasi wala naman kayo di basura, kaya okay lang.
Aha.
O yung mga basura, ang mga problema.
Yan. So napaboran mo pala sa pagbaba mo. Hindi mo nagsagod sa hagdan. Good. There you go.
Pag wala di mga basura, actually, hindi ko rin butan.
Okay.
Kaso mga tao, nagka-in and out yan.
Yeah.